In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to the beginning or end of a column of text in Google Sheets. This skill is incredibly handy when you're organizing data, preparing reports, or just looking to add some customization to your spreadsheets. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you understand each part clearly. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets. If you don't already have a sheet open, start a new one. Make sure all the data you want to modify is here. Once your sheet is ready, find a blank cell where you'd like to insert the text at the beginning of a column. This will be our working canvas for modifying the text entries. For this example, we'll be working with the word mango. Our task is to prepend the word green to each instance of mango in our column. Position yourself in this vacant cell and prepare to input the formula that will make this all happen. You'll use the concat function for this task, which stands for concatenate. It's perfect for joining different pieces of text together. Type in the formula, equal concat, and open a parenthesis. Then indicate the cell where the word green is located, follow it with the comma, and type the word mango enclosed in double quotes. This formula should look something like this, is concat A1 mango. Finish off this formula with a closing parenthesis. Once set, just hit the Enter key to see the magic happen. You'll notice that green is now smoothly joined with mango in this cell. Now, let's move on to adding text to the end of our column. Select another cell, and this time, we aim to append the term bravo to that familiar mango. The formula will again utilize concat. Type il concat, then put mango in double quotes, followed by the cell reference for bravo. Again, close that parenthesis. After you're done, press Enter and watch as mango now proudly flaunts bravo at its tail. Finally, for efficiency, you can easily apply these changes to the entire column using Google Sheets' autofill feature. Highlight the cell where you've just written the formula, then drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell downwards over the other cells you wish to modify. This will automatically apply the same formatting and formula across the selected range. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add text to the beginning or end of a column in Google Sheets. This simple trick can save you lots of time and effort, making your data organization tasks a breeze. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher.